For the second day in a row, crude oil prices have been recovering as thousands of Kuwaiti oil and gas industry employees went on a strike over planned public sector pay reforms. The country's officials say that they expect oil production to return to average levels within the coming days. Market players share this view, predicting the return of the major issue looming over the oil market, that is the global oversupply of hydrocarbons. Meanwhile, all eyes are on the strike in Kuwait, which has already helped to slash oil production rates by 50% without much effort.
Crude prices continue their upward march on the back of an oil workers' strike in Kuwait. Oil output dropped by roughly the amount of the current global surplus. Given that it is not clear yet how long the strike will last and how fast Kuwait will recover its prior extraction rates, the nearest target for Brent is seen at $44 per barrel.
It is worth noting that oil prices took a nosedive after the world's largest oil producers failed to reach an output freeze agreement. Saudi Arabia demanded that Iran also attend the meeting. In its turn, Iran refused to participate in the talks. Experts believe that Iran could reach its pre-sanction production levels, a likely scenario that would hit oil prices even harder. Meanwhile, West Texas Intermediate still depends entirely on crude output and stockpiles data. In the wake of the Doha meeting, the American benchmark printed a sharp drop on Monday, extending losses as the Energy Information Administration reported a surprise build in U.S. crude reserves. The official report showed that U.S. crude inventories added 6.634 million barrels last week, after a slide of almost 5 million recorded earlier. Analysts had expected a less dramatic increase. As of now, the market is looking ahead to fresh API inventory data, slated for release tomorrow. Economists predict a more favorable outcome. Time will show whether these forecasts prove to be accurate. Stay tuned to our latest news on InstaForexTV and find out what tomorrow brings. See you tomorrow.